I don't know how to say this other than this. I despise Fani Willis. I mean, I despise her. Her attitude, her arrogance. I've never felt that way about really anybody. Not Tish James, not even Engeron, Alvin Bragg. Nobody really has this snotty, arrogant, mean, just caustic, spoiled brat personality. Well, what today is an absolute major setback, to put it mildly. I love these terms. A major setback. It's a major setback. Yeah, you can say that again. And a major setback, Fulton County DA, the love goddess, you know it, the Georgia Court of Appeals, put a pause, hit the brakes on any proceeding, anything related to the 2020 election interference case involving the next president of the United States, Donald John Trump, and his co-defendants until it hears the case to disqualify Fani Willis in October. I love this. The appeals court has tentatively scheduled a hearing date of October the 4th. No hurry there. For the appeal by Trump and his co-defendants to have Willis, the embattled, self-entitled harridan, disqualified from the case due to an improper affair with special prosecutor, the garage door lover himself, Nathan Wade, who, like a complete Boeotian, went on TV and said, it was love. It's like, don't say that. You're reinforcing everything. What a putz. The appeals court action all but solidifies, ends her racketeering case against the 45th president, and it will not go to trial before the 2024 election. And by the way, she's looking at some other things too, not just the fact that she acted improperly. And as far as I'm concerned, I don't think it's conflict of interest or is any kind of forensic tampering. The problem is perjury, contempt of court, and perhaps witness tampering, when she basically told, remember our friend, oh my God, it seems like a year ago, Bradley, what was his name, who told her basically, you don't have to testify. I mean, everybody just came down on him. Remember all that cash? Remember all the cash? He says, I got the money from the election. What? Wait. From the what? That's election fraud. Yeah, I pulled it from the campaign. I paid him back. Wait a minute. President Trump just went through God knows what, whatever the hell that was, for election malfeasance. And she admitted to this, and others as well. I mean, these are children. These are spoiled children who have no business being in any part of this. I despise her. I've never, ever looked. The absolute arrogance, self-entitled, and not only that, she's not bright. I'm sorry, if you think that she came up or she concocted racketeering, and this is over. And by the way, politically, the Democrats are realizing she can't handle it. This is not somebody we're going to put. Look, if you want a woman or an African-American woman, you've got thousands of qualified professional. Why would you deign or lower yourself to hitch your ride or hitch your wagon to this? She's like an anachronism. I don't know what it is. It's like there's this weird kind of Tiffany Henyard, and then there's Jasmine Crockett, and even Marjorie Taylor Greene and AOC, and there's this. It's like this Jersey Housewives kind of attitude. I don't know where any of this came from. I mean, the idea that Trump violated Georgia's RICO statute is absurd. The charges include the Georgia RICO case, Racketeer, Influence, and Corrupt Organizations Act, solicitation and violation of oath by a public office, conspiracy to commit impersonating a public officer, conspiracy to commit forgery in the first degree, conspiracy to commit false statements in writings, conspiracy to commit filing false documents, conspiracy to commit forgery in the first degree, and filing false documents. Are you kidding me? Half of these people don't even know each other. Imagine putting together a racketeering case. Imagine the Gambino crime family, and they say, who are you? I don't know. We're what? We're racketeers? We're part of a criminal conspiracy? What are you talking about? This case has been let me tell you something. The reason why this case is so important for Trump and why it's so terrific in addition to everything else is because it gave people the idea that she is just that not only is she not to be taken seriously, but the cases aren't to be taken seriously. I mean, you've got the Engeron case and Tish James, which was civil. Forget E. Jean Carroll. That was just weird. That was weird. In any event, we'll leave it at that. You got this judge, Jack Smith. I mean, this guy tampering with evidence. That thing just, who knew? You got the J6 case, January 6th case, and that's going to be put on also indefinitely because of any kind of claims of immunity. And now you've got this New York case that nobody can still understand. Out of the litany of charges I just gave you right now, you can understand them. You can say, I know what forgery. Yeah, I kind of got an idea for this. What this is with our friend Fani, what that is nothing but a bunch of, with the case of New York is he intended to defraud the president, somebody, and also intended to commit another offense, even though what it was, we're not sure. But he conspired to commit another offense, or we're not sure what the other offense was, and we're not. And that's the one he gets convicted on. We don't even understand what it is. Imagine Trump, God forbid, for the sake of a joke, he's in Sing Sing, and somebody says, "What you in for?" I don't know. Yeah. What do you mean you don't know? I don't know. I'll read you the indictment. I did defrauded somebody and conspired to commit another crime and hide the effects of that from people I don't even know. What the hell does that mean? That's my point. Look, the American people know, and you know and I know, that this is a joke. This is a joke. Now, Hunter Biden, that's the guy you got to worry about. Oh, and one more thing. President Biden, and notice how he's upping the Sicilian flu lately. Listen, cut that out. Remember, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to go to prison. You say there's no immunity. You say that these cases are going to be brought forever. Terrific. We're going to take your ongoing ongoing criminal conspiracy with that evil seed spawn of yours, and we're going to continue that one indefinitely. How do you like that? So, Fanny, hit it. See ya. Hit the bricks. And don't let the door, on the way out. And Wade, remember Wade? I love her. He always looked like he was grimacing, like he was trying to pass a hockey puck. He just always in pain. The pain of love. And by the way, did you see what Fanny's old man was saying about? Well, I'm not going to go into detail. These people are just low rent. There's no other way to say it. Low rent, low class, low. I mean, they're just. Wait, what are you going to do? And that's what did them in. She couldn't handle the pressure. No class, no self-respect, entitled arrogance, and mean. All right, dear friends, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that little bell so you're notified of live streams and new videos. Make sure you like this video. And by all means, please comment as you see fit.